Hi friends, I am Alain Eric, the founder of Hartford Foundation.
Master Alain Eric Lal, also called Allu, is born on 14 December 2010. Aged 9, he is residing at Kollam, Kerala, India. He is a 4th standard student. He is the member of United Religions Initiative Zero Limits Cooperation Circle, South India, Sri Lanka region. He is an active associate of 1 Billion Youth for Peace Initiative by Cosmic Community Center. He also actively participates in the activities of Youth Forum OISCA International Kollam chapter. His membership in Agila Kerala Balajana Sakyam also leads to the birth of LISS Balajana Sakyam Kollam. When he was 8 years old, Allu was inspired by attending a conference of URI initiated by Dr. Abraham Karikam at Henry Martins Institute, Hyderabad in 2019. He was the youngest delegate of that assembly. During the closing remarks of the assembly, he announced himself to the delegates that he will start an organization to protect Mother Earth, which was one of the main topics of that conference. Following the incident, he started to draw awareness pictures of environmental protection. One of these pictures became the logo of Heart for Earth. Most of the times he was observing the environment and getting more information regarding endangered species of the animals on Earth. Finally, he asked a question: do the human beings endanger in future like the extinct? The question disturbed him a lot. Finally, he found the fact that the main obstacle of sustainability is one's attitude that my duty is to just say to protect the planet Earth by believing that others will act for that. These thoughts led to the idea for the formation of Heart for Earth.
Good evening, one and all. We are from Krishi Sanjeevani and we are with Krishi Sanjeevani. What is the program's name?
Krishi Sanjeevani.
Krishi Sanjeevani. It's always remember that Krishi Sanjeevani, we are telecasting our program in Krishi Sanjeevani, and this is one of the special day for us. Why? Because one Master Allu is with us. So you know the speciality of Allu. Allu is 9 years old. He will say about himself. Allu, could you please tell me about something about yourself to the viewers?
I would like to say that when I was 8 years old, I went to Hyderabad and I attended a conference.
Yes, exactly. We attended the conference. Okay, what program is that? Or who organized the program?
URI.
URI means?
United Religions Initiative.
Oh, you know that there is an organization which is known as United Religions Initiative, which is headquartered in San Francisco, which is basically for harmony, for really inter-religious harmony. Okay, come on, Allu. All are eagerly waiting for your story. Come on.
When I was 8 years old, I attended a conference in Hyderabad.
Oh,
Uh,
it's in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
The topic on the conference was climate action.
Oh, climate action. Oh.
Yeah.
So at that time you didn't know about what is climate action?
No.
No. Okay, come on.
When I heard the sad news about the environment,
Oh.
I felt that I need to do something for the environment.
Oh.
That day I promised that I would do something for the environment.
So what you did after that?
I returned. After I returned from Hyderabad,
Okay.
I drew many pictures about environment.
Oh, you draw some pictures. Oh, good.
And one of them became the logo of Hartford.
So what is this Heart for Earth?
Hartford is an organization for children and youth.
Okay, who founded the organization?
I founded the organization.
Oh, he founded an organization which is known as Heart for Earth. The specialty of Heart for Earth is that when we are writing Heart, the same letters jumbled and scrambled together, Heart and Earth. Heart for Earth. It's an organization. It's a child-led organization. It is for youth and children. It is in 56 nations. Okay, come on. Let us listen the story of Allu from that. Okay, come on, Allu.
After that, when I was 9 years old, the next year,
Oh, the next year.
yeah, I was walking in the road outside my home and I saw a cut down banyan tree.
Oh, cut down banyan tree.
Yeah.
Oh,
when I saw that, I felt that it was looking like a human dead body.
Oh, good.
When I saw that, when I saw that, I thought that for this tree I am going to plant 10,000 banyan trees.
Is it 10,000 or 1,000? 1,000 banyan trees. Allu predicted that he want to plant 1,000 banyan trees instead of one banyan tree, cut down banyan tree. Okay, come on.
So now I have a campaign called the Greenathon.
Oh, Greenathon. It's a different term, like a marathon and all. Isn't it? What is the Greenathon?
Greenathon is a campaign to plant 10,000 plants
10,000 plants.
in anywhere in any globe, anywhere in the globe.
Okay, anywhere on the globe. Anyone can participate.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It starts in the 14th of November, the National Children's Day of India, and ends in the 20th of November,
Okay.
the International Children's Day.
Oh, good. So yesterday was the International Children's Day. Today is 21st. What is the situation of the 10,000 plants?
I thought that I was expecting 10,000 plants, but I got 25,000 plants.
Oh, so who planted all this?
Everyone participated.
How they participated?
That I don't know.
So how you do all these things? Through social media and all?
With 11 prestigious projects from 52 countries and 30k stakeholders, Heart for Earth is going leap and bounds. We at Krishi Sanjeevani wishes Master Allu and Heart for Earth all the best in their future endeavors.